I bet it's the play for today. So got it in there. I still gotta do that the different color. I'll actually open up that box for y'all. But yeah, I still got a lot of work to do. A lot of work. I'm gonna touch up the whole 9 yards. I need to get that touched up a little bit. I don't know. I get it figured out. And yeah, so this is a triple weave. I just gotta cut it to size. Cut it to size. I'm gonna put that on that. And then put that one. That one over there like that. Just gotta cut everything to size and now everything triple weave. So yeah. Y'all see what I'm trying to do. Hopefully y'all get the picture. Yes indeed. Set it down for you so you can see it a little better. But yeah, triple weave pieces for the grill. You just gotta cut it up and I'll be good to go. 217 Whip Fest. Come out and kick it with JD Nation 1 and T Flashy. August 30th, Decatur, Illinois. It's going down. Yes, yes.